The Sulu-Sulawesi Seascape, a rich habitat of marine life in the Coral Triangle that spans 100 million hectares across 3 countries and provides for 40 million people along its coasts and to the world at large. In this rich but threatened complex environment, Conservation International works in bringing together the ingredients to ensure that the seascape maintains the variety of life that supports human needs. We conduct targeted research to guide conservation actions.
Yung presentation ng actual surveys na ginawa, ang tingin ko first time na nakita ng mga Tagaloob yung video clips, no? First time nila talaga nagkaroon sila ng full appreciation kung ano yung laman dagat, no? Kung ano yung yaman dagat.
We use scientific approaches in working with communities to encourage them to take that step to protect their marine environment. We work with local, national, and international partners in increasing marine protected areas and equip local stakeholders for them to effectively manage their own resources.
Nung unang launching nito, kahit nauna pa may nahuhuli na rin kami. So lalo pang pinaigting ngayon sa partnership namin sa CI. Lumalabas pa namin yung mahina ngayon ng apprehension dahil alam na nila. So natatakot na sila. Tsaka doon sa presensya lagi namin sa laot, yung nagpapatrolya, talaga pong malaking bagay.
We help create the conditions that foster real benefits to fisheries, tourism, biodiversity, and climate change resilience, among others. We work to maintain healthy marine ecosystems, which are the basic underpinning for poverty alleviation and human well-being. We are scaling up conservation successes on the ground to the level of marine corridors within countries and to the seascape level across national boundaries. At the Sulu-Sulawesi Seascape, we set ambitious goals, generate the science, use the best available information and local knowledge, employ innovative approaches, and through partnerships, we work to ensure living seas for generations.